Okay, I decided to figure out, or try to figure out, what went wrong with these. This is the original one that came with the machine. I was able to finish carving until that bit broke. Then I said the hell with it, ripped it out. Now this is the replacement that they sent me about a month ago, when the other one started making noise. So this one quit completely and tried to the EMF, the noise, basically the electromechanical frequency noise, was wreaking havoc with my computer, causing windows to pop open, clicking where nobody's using the mouse, and it's just doing its own thing. So I ripped this out, and I decided that rather than sending it back to the manufacturer so they can figure out what happened, I decided to take it apart. So we got the fan, goes on the top. Put this one over here for comparison. We got the brushes on either side. We've got the armature. The bearings are alright. I do see, hopefully that's coming through on camera, such a tiny little contact point. I mean, it looks, for what it is, it looks like it was fairly well engaged with the armature. But if this helps, I'm assuming that Genmitsu or Sainsmart are the ones that manufacture these. So if it helps, maybe you can perfect your product a little bit, because they should last longer than a couple of hours. I mean, this doesn't have anything on it for time. I mean, the bearings in this one are alright. This one makes a hell of a noise. So we got the fan, we got the two pieces, two rods that screw into the plate at the other end. We've got the plate for this end. Everything looks good. I don't see anything wrong with this, with the windings. I don't see anything wrong in here at all. I tried heating that to get it off. That's why it's blue. Realized afterwards that I could tap it off, but whatever. You do what you gotta do. But I just figured I'd take a short video to show everybody what the inside of these look like, and hopefully to help the manufacturer figure out why I'm going through rotors left and right here, spindles left and right. So that's it. That's it's an electric motor all apart. You got magnets in here. I don't see any dirt. I don't see any dust. There's no debris in the motor. I mean, everything's clean. This is just how I took it apart. I didn't clean anything. I don't see anything wrong with it, other than that microscopic contact point. I mean, that should be engaging the whole. That brush should be square in the end, going to a tip. Maybe that's what caused the problem, having such a tiny contact patch. But as you can see, I mean, there's no, it's even, except for that spot right there. Not sure what that was. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah, it looks like that spot. Hopefully it's coming through on camera. There's a little bit of arcing right there. I don't see it anywhere else. Just that one, I don't know if I can get it to focus up close. Just that one spot is a little bit of arcing that was going on. So that might have been the dead spot right there. And if those brushes were full, with a full contact with this commutator, I think that's what it's called. If the brushes were bigger, that might not have, it might not have died. Goes this way. All right. Well, hopefully this video helps somebody. I'm going to send it to the manufacturer. Little sneak preview. I got another video coming out soon. So subscribe. Throw a comment down the bottom if you can. If you like this, throw a comment. I might grind those down. Give it a second chance. See if that helps. But for now, we've moved on to bigger and better things. They did say they're sending me another replacement spindle, so at least I'll have that if I decide to sell this machine later on. Ooh, there's another sneak preview. Alright, that's it. Catch me in the next one.